Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back on today with some more challenge entries. I have 3 to share with you, so I'm going to jump right on in. This is from Esther Luka. Hi Esther, thank you so much for participating. Yay, this entry looks so super cute. This is her mini loaded bag, and as you can see, it's a sweet treat theme. She has these adorable little stickers on the front of her little bag, and this cute little pom-pom trim and some fun washi tape down here. Adorable. And I'm going to take out her baking tags, and it looks like she used a tag. Maybe she made her tag and then embossed it with the cute cupcake embossing folder, and it says baked with love, and she's got a little bit of jam and these stickers. This one's on dimensionals. And then she's got this pretty ribbon with a heart button. Really, really pretty. Thank you so much. And there's the back, to and from, and she's a little bit of washi tape on the back. Good use of washi tape. And here is her second baking tag, which is absolutely cute. She used the embossing folder again and a cute sticker. That apron is adorable, and it says baked with love. Oh, that's really cute, the little banners, and then it has a little blingy heart. Adorable. And then she used another heart button, which is really pretty as well. Thank you so much. And then this is the back of this tag, again, to and from, and she used some washi tape. Love it. Adorable. And let's check out her memory decks card. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that, you guys? It says you're the sweetest. Oh, and she used some stamped images, and she has it on dimensional, so it's raised up, and oh, I love that. That's so cute. How adorable. And then look at the little stickers on the bottom. It's like little jars of jam. That is so sweet. How creative is that, you guys? And she has all of these like little, I think it's perfect pearls on the paper. It's so pretty. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to cover up her information. But there is her name, Esther Luka, and she's on YouTube, and she's also on she has a Facebook group, Esther Luka, and then she's on Instagram and Snapchat. So this is where you can find her, so go check her out. Thank you, Esther, for participating. I absolutely love your entry, very creative. And I'm going to share with you the back of her bag. It's really pretty. This is cute paper, and it says, handmade by Esther Luka. Thank you so much. That's so super sweet. Yay. Okay, I am moving on to the next entry. And this next entry is from Sweet Karen Break. Hi, Karen. Thank you so much for participating. I love your creativity. And this is how her entry came. She has all these goodies in here, you guys. So I'm just going to slide it off to the side. Oh my goodness, here is the card. Let's open up the card first. Thank you so much. Everything is packaged so nicely. So she's got a sticker that says hello. Oh, it's so sweet. All right, let me open it up. And it says, handmade with stamps, ink, love, and prayers just for you, Diane. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. So, oh my goodness. So you must go by, I don't know if you go by Diane or Karen. Maybe it's Diane. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. This is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at that. She used the apron die, and she's got the little tablespoons, and it has my name on it. And look at how pretty that trim is. That's gorgeous. I love that polka dot trim. Oh, that's so creative. Oh, I love this card. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it just says, congratulations on your 11,000 subbies. Crafty hugs, Karen. Oh, thank you so much, Karen. I love this card. It's so cute. I'm going to put it in my kitchen and just display it for a while. So yay, I'm going to share this with all my neighbors and friends. So cute. All right, and then she also sent me some recipe cards. So thank you so much for that. That's really pretty, and I will save these. I put them in my kitchen. And then she also sent me these little goodies, you guys. Oh my gosh, how super cute. It's like a baking themed wooden pack. The sugar cookies, the rolling pins, the spatulas. Oh my gosh, there's even a little mixer. Oh, thank you Thank you, Karen. That's so sweet. I love that. Adorable. Thank you for sharing. All right, so this is what her bag looks like, and it's absolutely pretty. I love this paper, and I love that you use some purple. Yay, that's so thoughtful. And there's the back, and she's got her handmade stamp. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's look at what she sent. Oh, she sent me some goodies. These are some little tags. Oh, and I can put little baking things on them. So cute. And then, oh my gosh, she sent me some die cuts. Yay, I'll definitely put these to use. Thank you so much. It saves me so much time when they're already cut out, so I can definitely use those. Yes. Thank you, thank you. And then she also sent me some more die cuts. Let's see what this says. Let me take it out and look. What does it say? Oh, it says treats. Oh, these are cute. So she die cut a bunch of this. She die cut out the word treats, and she sent me in several different colors. That is awesome. Thank you so much. I'll definitely put those to use as well. All right, let me put these back in the bag because I don't want to lose anything. All right, let me put this back. And then she also has sent me these really cute embellishments. Let me just take these out. I'm so excited. Oh, this is so awesome. So look at all these cute little embellishments that I can use. She's got the flower. Oh my gosh, that's so super cute. And then look at these tiny hearts. And are these like, what are these? Oh my gosh, like little mixing bowls. Oh, super cute. Thank you for that. Look at the little rolling pins. Adorable. Thank you for this little mix. That's so super sweet of you to share. I don't know where she got that from, but it's adorable. Love that. So sweet. Okay, so here is her Memory Dex card. Oh, yay. Let me take it out of the package. And just give me 1 second. Okay, so here is her beautiful Memory Dex card. It says Cookie House Productions, or production, and she's got the whisks and spatulas hanging. And then on the bottom, she's got the rolling pin and a mixing bowl and the cute tablespoons right there, the mixing spoons. Oh, adorable. Love that. Let me look at the back. Oh my goodness, you're from Arizona. Me too. Karen, there she is. She sent a picture. Let me just... I don't want to share her address, but there's Karen. That must be her husband. And her YouTube channel is Karen Break, and she's also on Facebook. Oh my gosh, so sweet. I love it. Thank you for including a picture. That is so adorable. Thank you, thank you. Oh, okay, so let me keep going. Let's take out her tags. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Let's see. Oh, look at this, you guys. It says yummy, and I love those stickers. They're shiny, and she's got her little baking mitt with a little cookie. Absolutely adorable with this beautiful purple seam binding. That's gorgeous. Okay, so that's the first one, and this is the back. It's super sturdy. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. And then we also have this tag right here, which let me go ahead and open it up. I'm so glad I had you guys make me 2 tags because I think I will save one and use one. Oh, this is adorable. This one says yum yum. How super cute is that? I love that. And then this is the back. And I love the paper that you use. It's so super pretty. Karen, thank you so much for participating. I truly appreciate you sending me all of these fun goodies and beautiful tags. All right, I am going to put her entry off to the side. I'm going to share with you one more entry. Let me just grab it. And this one is from Dana Drake. And this is how her entry came packaged up. Look at her huge bag topper, you guys. So pretty. Look at those butterflies. And I've already cut the bottom of the bag and took out the mini loaded bag that she sent me, and look how super cute it is. She's got it decorated really pretty with some flat back pearls and that hello punch and some pretty ribbon. Adorable. Let's check out her tags. Oh, look at this. This is her first baking tag, and it says baked with love. And she's got her adorable mixer with the heart. And I love the way you layered the tag 3 times. Really, really pretty with some pretty pink twine. Adorable. And then here's the back. It says homemade just for you by, aw, and then I can write my name. Super sweet. And here's the second baking tag. Ah, I gotta get that die. I don't have that die, and I know it's a Cottage Cuts die, and it's in my basket. I just haven't purchased it yet. So love that. Super, super cute. And then this is the back of this one. And it looks like she embossed the stamp, the homemade just for you by. Super sweet. All right, and look at that beautiful butterfly that's on her bag. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? It's so pretty. And let's check out her Memory Dex card. Look how cute. It says Chasing Rainbows. And look at that adorable stamped image. That's that new stamp that was in Michael's, I think. I didn't pick that one up, but it's absolutely cute. I love it. And I love the glitter paper. Aww. And here is her information. I'm always going to cover that up. But there she is. She included a picture, and she's Dana Drake. And her YouTube channel is Kay's Place. Aw, thank you so much, Dana. I truly appreciate you participating, and thank you for a wonderful entry. Please show these ladies some love. Leave them a comment and check out the description box so that you can know where to find these ladies. All right, thank you for watching, and I will be back with more entries, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.